Are you still relying on SQL Server Reporting Services, SSRS, for enterprise reporting? While SSRS has been a reliable reporting tool for years, modern organizations are rapidly moving toward interactive, cloud-powered analytics, with Power BI. SSRS was originally designed for static, paginated reports and operational reporting. But today's data-driven organizations need more than static reports. Common challenges with SSRS include limited interactivity and data exploration, complex report maintenance, difficulty scaling analytics across departments, limited integration with modern AI and cloud analytics tools. As enterprises adopt cloud platforms, these limitations become increasingly significant. Microsoft Power BI enables organizations to move beyond static reporting and build interactive, real-time analytics experiences. With deep integration across Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Fabric, and Microsoft 365, Power BI allows teams to create dynamic dashboards, explore data visually and interactively, share insights securely across the organization, enable AI-powered analytics and natural language queries. This makes Power BI a powerful platform for modern enterprise decision-making. However, migrating from SSRS to Power BI can be complex. Organizations often have hundreds of reports, stored procedures, and data models built over many years. Manually recreating these reports in Power BI can take months and may introduce errors in calculations and business logic. That's where Pulse Convert by Office Solution AI Labs helps. Pulse Convert automates the migration process by analyzing SSRS reports, extracting report structures and data logic, and converting them into Power BI-ready dashboards and models. This allows organizations to significantly reduce migration time while preserving critical business logic. If your organization is planning to modernize reporting, migrating from SSRS to Power BI can unlock interactive insights, scalable analytics, and AI-powered decision-making. Start your migration journey with Pulse Convert today.